guys, I'm currently editing this video right now, but I realized that I forgot to film a proper intro while I was in Korea. So basically in today's video, we are going to Everland. And if you don't know what Everland is, it's basically a huge theme park in Seoul with a bunch of rides, yummy food, fireworks. It's pretty cool and interesting. So that's what's happening in this video. But if you're new here or if you haven't seen my previous videos, I've actually been doing a travel series. So if you haven't seen those, you can watch them after this vlog. But if you want to watch them in chronological order, you can just come back. So yeah, anyways, do whatever you want to do, but just know that there's more travel vlogs on this channel. That's kind of all I needed to say, so let's get started. Enjoy! Okay, we gotta be quick because our bus is gonna pick us up in approximately 17 minutes. So let's speed run this. Okay, makeup is kind of done. I haven't put on my lippy yet or my blush, but we have no time. We have to go right now. Apparently the driver is already downstairs. When we said pickup was 9, but it's only like 8:50. But I guess he's early, so let's go. I'm kind of hungry though. I'm actually really hungry. Or my stomach just hurts. I have no idea.
Everland. Well, not in Everland, we still gotta scan our ticket, but we're here 1.5 hours later after some car mishaps. We're here and we're gonna have fun. Oh, helicopter! 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 Anyways, Everland!
My brother.
I'm waiting for an hour.
We still have 30 minutes.
We still have 30 minutes. Guys, we're next. We're next. We're next.
반짝반짝 환영합니다. 이렇게
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 파이팅입니다. 박수 한번 부탁드릴게요. 안녕하세요. 안쪽으로 넣어주시고요. 바깥으로 손꼽으면 위험할 수 있게 우리 조심 부탁드릴게요. 죄송합니다. 안쪽으로 넣어주세요. 진짜 코끼리예요. 리얼 엘리펀트. 자세히 보시면 계속 풀 먹고 있어지고 있답니다. 우리 왼쪽으로 빗발 들어서 이번에 자리 앉아서 자리 앉아서 봐주세요. 위험합니다. 자리 앉아서 봐주세요. 코끼리는 기념을 가지고 있어요. 약 45cm 기념 가지고 있습니다. 속눈썹이 엄청 길어요. 긴 속눈썹은 모래바람을 막아주어서 그래 아니 그래 그래 우리 한번 인사하고 갈게요. 감사합니다. 조심히 지내세요.
ไม่โกนก็จับไว้สิ
Medyo maanghang yung ano ah. $9. Some Dippin' Dots. This one is banana split and this one is double chocolate. Guys, we're gonna go on the scariest ride in Everland. Let me show you. That was like the scariest ride ever, bro. Did you see how scared I was? Oh, bro. Terrifying. Hey. We got some juice. Thank you.
Oh man.
That's rich. It's kind of fruity.
Just cool into the mouth. Nice.
Finish.
We just had some drinks and refreshments and now we're going to the actual rides, unlike the one before. We're going to Anchors Away, or just the one that goes like wee 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 wee. You know what I mean. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Hopefully that line isn't that long because the line for T-Express is more than 2 hour wait. And we're not gonna wait for 2 hours. So. Let's go. And so was light work. I wanted to sit on the edge because the edge is more fun. But the rest of my family sat in the middle for some reason. But it was still really good. Whoa! Man, we're gonna get wet, bro. It's right there. It's right there. We're about to get wet.
I'm scared, guys. Let's go.
I'm kind of scared, guys. As we on, but I gotta have my phone because I don't want it to get wet. We just finished the what's it called? The Thunder Falls ride. I got a bit wet, but everyone else got really wet. So I don't really know how I was able to stay dry. But look, you're dry, bro. You're dry, bro. You are. You are not dry, bro. Bro.
Yeah, I'm dry.
Are you dry, bro?
I'm dry.
Are you dry? Are you dry?
I'm dry.
Are you dry?
See, you can't see the colors because the colors absorbed the water.
It's king like that.
Guys, I'm actually so dry. I'm actually so dry. Okay, thanks. Thanks for blocking my view, bro. I'm so dry. Guys, we're taking this this thing to go down. This thing is not secure at all. So you could literally just like, you know? Do you know what I'm saying?
참고해 주시고 불편 없으시기 바랍니다.
에버랜드 그게 How do you feel?
Nervous? How do you feel?
I'm excited.
Oh my goodness.
I'm still excited.
This is Gideon before the ride. It's your boy Nix. Shadow.
Bishop for the ride. Too easy. Light work, light work, light work, light work. Guys, we're so cool. I'm so scared. Oh my days.
This is Gideon after the ride. Light work.
Light work.
Light work. Your boy Nix. Shadow. Oh.
We did it. That was light work. That was easy. I kind of want to ride it again, so I'm gonna see if we have time. But if not, then.
For me.
But before we can ride it again, we're gonna eat some food because we haven't eaten our proper meal since breakfast. So let's eat.
Medyo spicy na. Watch me make my
Maano yung chicken?
What?
What's the main bag?
Huh?
Picture.
Parang kayong tatlo na yung last week.
Churros for dessert. I got a chocolate stuffed churro. Picture. Now we're gonna wait for the parade to start. We're not too sure what time it starts. I think it starts at 8 o'clock. So we're gonna ride the carousel and then watch the parade and then go home. Hey, before, and now I have the hiccups. And now we're going to watch the fireworks. It's gonna happen in this area. So we have a pretty good spot, we have a pretty good view. I hope these hiccups go away soon. It's also really cold right now, my hands are freezing. I cannot feel my hands and I cannot feel my feet, but it's okay.
50,000 fans are waiting for you.
Hey guys, the fireworks show just finished. I didn't know it was gonna be K-pop Demon Hunters theme. It was really good. Yeah, anyways, I think Everland is gonna close soon, so we're gonna go home. It's probably gonna be the end of the video. Everyone is leaving Everland right now, so it's time to go home. It's kinda chaotic. Like this video, subscribe. Thanks.